Having a closet that doesn't match your style or your needs can be very frustrating. Sometimes you might be stuck with a long, deep, wide, narrow, or dark storage space that just does not suit your own personal decorating desires. When this happens, it's essential to go to Closet Transformation Ideas that will help you stay organized and bring some style into the mix. Do you feel like your closet is a disaster, or do you enjoy the challenge of figuring out what works for you? No matter what, with these 12 closet transformation ideas and some creative space-saving tricks, you can make your wardrobe work better for you. As always, Simp Home presents you with the list. 12. The Creative Closet Transformation Idea from the Design Twins. The first creative transformation idea will turn an awkward, unused space into a perfect home for your clothes. In this case, the designer found a dull but potential space and designed a closet to it. The closet is not only set up to be as functional as possible, but it also has some great decorative touches and looks more like art than it does a place to store only clothes. To follow the project, you can begin with taking all of the clothes out to sort them by type. After that, you may need to rip the doors off. This way you can get easier access to the closet. Next, insert cubbies into your closet and add some fabric boxes to organize your underwear, sweaters, and other folded items. Since you have removed the doors, you need to consider hanging curtains to hide the closet away. 11. A custom closet shelving idea. Some closets feature a smaller opening with more side space, making it hard to see and reach the clothes hanging in the corner. If it happens to you, you need to optimize it accordingly, and you can do it by simply following the next idea. Begin with cutting some boards to size to make your custom shelves. After that, attach the frame supports to either side of the shelves and the wall. This way you can create a better grip for the L-shaped shelves in place. Next, install 2 rods in the corner to hang your everyday clothes. 10. The Cedar Closet Idea. Do you have a problem with pesky moths? You may think you can deter them with mothballs. However, they do not provide a pleasing smell sometimes. Therefore, you can try lining your closet with cedar instead. You can find many types of cedar. However, Eastern red cedar, also known as aromatic red cedar, is the only one that produces a scent that can deter moths and insects. If you are interested in using cedar to get rid of moths and add a more custom finished look, get tongue and groove cedar boards from a hardware store near you. To install the tongue and groove cedar panels, you need to locate the studs and mark them first. After that, you can begin the installation right from the bottom. If the baseboard or floor is sloped, you have to scribe the first board, then apply the wood adhesive to the back of the panel in a zigzag pattern, and nail it in place if it is level already. Finally, continue the installation from the bottom to the top. 9. The IKEA Closet Hack under $100. If you cannot make a custom closet from scratch, you can always hack IKEA. IKEA Billy would be perfect for your closet project. You just need to shove Billy into the closet. Do not forget to make a notch for the molding. After that, install shelving and rods in the middle so that you can hang your clothes. To make the closet more appealing, you can paint the walls and trims the same color so that they flow into one being. Replacing the lighting in your closet will also give a new look. 8. Hide it with a curtain. The first thing that comes to sight as soon as you see the closet is the doors. Therefore, if you want to transform it, you need to work on the doors. This way you can incorporate a brand new look instantly in your room. You can find many ideas about closet doors. They can come in the form of swinging, sliding, or bifold doors, depending on what you need and your room style. However, if you have a small bedroom, consider replacing your closet's swinging doors with a curtain. It still offers the same functions, hiding the clothes away out of sight. Besides, it will not take up much space, since you only draw the curtains aside rather than pull it out, like you usually do with the swinging door. More importantly, it is less expensive and easy to install too. 7. The Zanger Spacer Organization Idea. Sometimes transforming your closet can be as simple as investing in clothes hanger spacers. The idea of a Zanger itself is to eliminate dead spaces so that you can maximize the use of every inch in your closet. This way, you can add more storage by then installing some hangers. They may look trivial, but they work like a charm. You will not find any tangled, messy, and overlapping clothes hangers any more or less. In addition to giving some space to each hanger, Hanger spacers usually come in various designs and colors, adding visual interest to your plain closet. Furthermore, they can help you protect clothes from being crushed and wrinkled due to overlapping each other. 6. The closet organization idea from the Container Store. As a good rule of thumb, if you want to make your closet look more organized, you need to take out all the clothes. After that, take some time to ask yourself whether you still need them or not. By the way, nothing is more pleasing than a super neat closet, right? The ones that you no longer wear will go to the boxes that you're going to donate. The clothes that you wear seasonally, like beanies, mittens, sweaters, and gloves, will be on the top shelf. The outfits that you tend to wear daily should be at reachable spots. Next, double your space potentials with hanging rods, then using chains to suspend the lower rod from the upper one. After that, add canvas hanging organizers in the middle to host your purses and folded shirts while optimizing the vertical space. Finally, tap into the doors to incorporate more storage. 5. Kids' closet transformation idea. The most common problem usually found in a closet is the messy look. It happens mainly in kids' closets, as the kids tend to grow and pull their t-shirts and pants from the shelves carelessly. You can help your kids get dressed easily by installing wire racks. Wire racks are adjustable. They allow you to add or remove any shelf as necessary. Bear in mind that it is a closet for your kid. Therefore, you must place everyday clothes at reachable spots. 4. Take the closet transformation inspiration from the Kindred Homestead. Tessa from the Kindred Homestead presents you the next transformation idea. First, she took out all the clothes and donated 60% of the clothes. This way, she would get more room for other stuff. After that, she fixed any flaw that she came across on the walls. She also removed the baseboard. Next, she painted the walls white. For the flooring, she removed the old carpet and added underlayment to install the new laminate flooring. Finally, she installed the new closet system. 3. Perfect your closet storage solution and practice your woodworking skill. So, you do not have enough space for more shelves? What about making foldable shelves that look like a magic box? To make this magic box, basically, you need to create 3 boxes attached to 3 pieces of the board first. Make sure that they are at a different height to not bump each other when you fold them. Do not forget to make notches to each board, because you will assemble them like a jigsaw puzzle. Next, screw them together. You will also need hinges for the box lid. If you want to make it safer, install a box lock. 2. How to turn a closet to become a new mudroom. Some people have a closet near the hallway to store some tools. If you also have it and do not need it anymore, you can give it a new function by transforming it into a mudroom. The first thing you need to do is remove the doors. After that, paint the walls the color of your choice. Next, install a built-in bench that would help any user put on their shoes. Even better, it can be a cozy reading nook. Then install the shelving and hooks to hang hats, caps, or scarves. To kick it up a notch, toss a few cushions. Before we finish this countdown, support the channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. Keep us in your subscription tabs for more home and garden improvement ideas like this. And finally, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1. Transform your old closet with new ways. Using cardboard boxes is a practical and inexpensive way to get rid of clutter in your closet. Unfortunately, it is not a long-term solution. Therefore, you need to consider making a custom closet like this one. This closet features some shelves that you can use to store folded items. You can also find several small shelves on which a pair of shoes can fit in snugly without being piled up with other footwear. Conclusion. So from the list, you have learned how to transform your closet. The ideas you have selected are based on how you feel about it and what kind of function you need for it. It does not matter if you want to make your closet more beautiful or just change the operation of your closet. Some ways you already learned will help you out. Closets are a great place to store everything from shoes and sandals to suits and dresses. If it is small or large or in between, it can be challenging to find a place for everything. Moreover, it is also time-consuming. It's natural for you to find tricks and ideas to make every inch of a space work more effectively, save energy, and keep its contents safe. To be honest, the closet organization ideas mentioned previously are not only meant for organizing clothes. You can also use them for other precious items such as papers, photos, medals, or trophies that you've collected. For more clever ideas on how to achieve relevant goals, follow the link provided inside the description. That's it for now. Since you're still watching this video, press the like button, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your favorite social media channel. Browse and follow the Simp Home website for more amazing content related to home and decor ideas. And until we meet again later, sometime in the future, thanks for watching.